If you are looking for the best laser tape measure, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, Bosch Compact Laser Distance Measure 120 feet GLM35. Our reviews picked the Bosch GLM35 as the best laser measuring tool for the money. You never give up much when you invest in a Bosch tool. They are invariably rock solid and reliable. This tool is not as feature-rich or capable as our top two picks, but if you can't or don't want to shell out the money for those choices, invest in the GLM35. The Bosch is a nicely proportioned tool, so you can slip it in a pocket, a useful feature since it does not come with a belt case like both the Fluke and the DEWALT. Number 2. Leica DISTO D2 New 330-foot Laser Distance Measure. The Leica DISTO D2 New with Bluetooth offers improved functionality over its former glory. Offering many functions like area, volume, 2- and 3-point Pythagoras, add/subtract, the D2 is a powerful tool in a compact handheld device. Our newest take on the classic Leica DISTO D2, now with Bluetooth, a fully integrated intelligent endpiece, a bright white display, and an ISO-certified measuring engine that drives 1/16" accuracy and 330-foot measuring range. The Leica DISTO D2 New is a 7-measurement mode LDM accurate to 1/16 of an inch. Number 3. Tacklife HD60 Classic Laser Measure 196-foot meter-inch-foot mute laser distance meter. So what do you do if you would like to add a laser measure to your toolkit, but the budget is as important as the accuracy and sophistication of the tool itself? We have your answer, the Tacklife HD60. Look, you know when there are going to be trade-offs when you go budget versus the top pick. That said, the Tacklife packs quite a few features into its budget-friendly package. It handles area and volume calculations. It has a reported accuracy of 1/16 of an inch. Number 4. URCERI 131-foot Laser Measurement Meter. Utilizing precision laser technology, the URCERI Laser Distance Measurer provides fast, easy, and accurate measurements every time you use it. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, the device is cordless and lightweight. Features a square and compact design, the measurer fits comfortably in hand as well as small enough to fit in your pocket. No matter if you are a project manager or you are going to rebuild your house, the URCERI measurer should be a perfect choice. Number 5. DEWALT DW03101 330 feet Laser Distance Measurer. Our second choice is the DEWALT DW03050. DEWALT has been equipping their tools with lasers to target cut line and drill points for a long time, and their execution in these areas is excellent overall. This entry in the laser measuring tool segment is a solid one indeed. Put the DEWALT next to the Fluke and the similarities are immediately apparent. The DEWALT is a brick, almost in a literal sense. This device tips the scales at 2.2 pounds. It boasts rugged construction, tested to survive a drop of 6 feet, a design with features like membrane buttons for use in all environments.
Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.